Hey everyone, and welcome back. In this video, I installed a snow kit on my 2004 Husqvarna TC450. The kit I installed is called an Explorer Smart All-Terrain System. It's a universal kit that fits a wide range of bikes. I would not say that the install was overly difficult. Spacing and alignment was really important. I had to pull apart the axle a few times to get the alignment right. I have a few clips of me riding, but we really need a bit more snow. I also think that I need to adjust the front ski, because under normal acceleration, the weight shifts back on the bike and I lose the ability to steer. I think that I can fix this by adjusting the ski down a few inches, which will help keep the weight on the front of the bike. But anyways, if you like this video, please consider leaving a like and subscribe. Also feel free to check out other content on my channel. That'll do it. Thanks guys.